DIY water damage restoration. Can you do it yourself? Water damage can quickly escalate and cause severe damage if not handled properly. Acting fast can help minimize the damage and save you time and money in the long run. In addition, quick action can prevent mold growth and reduce the risk of health hazards. Here are some expert tips that can help you restore your property after water damage. Assess the damage. The first step in water damage repair is to assess the extent of the damage. Inspect the affected areas and make a list of damaged items. This will help you create an action plan and estimate the repair costs. Water damage categories. Water damage can be classified into 3 categories based on the level of contamination. Category 1, considered clean water, such as from a broken pipe or overflowing sink. Category 2, contaminated water, such as from a dishwasher or washing machine overflow. Category 3, highly contaminated water, such as from a sewage backup or floodwater. Turn off the power. Before you start cleaning up, it's essential to turn off the power to avoid electrical hazards. If the water has reached any electrical outlets or appliances, do not touch them until the power is turned off. Extract the water. Remove the standing water as soon as possible to prevent mold growth and further damage. You can use a wet vacuum or a sump pump to extract the water. If the water is contaminated, wear protective gear such as gloves and a mask. Dry the affected areas. After removing the standing water, it's important to dry the affected areas thoroughly. Use fans, dehumidifiers, and open windows to increase airflow and ventilation. If the humidity is high, use a desiccant to absorb excess moisture. Disinfect the area. To prevent mold and bacteria growth, it's important to disinfect the affected areas. You can use a mixture of bleach and water or a commercial disinfectant. Be sure to follow the instructions on the label and wear protective gear. Remove damaged materials. Any materials that are saturated with water and cannot be salvaged should be removed, such as carpets, drywall, and insulation. This will prevent further damage and mold growth. Repair structural damage. If the water damage has caused structural damage to your property, it's important to have it repaired by a professional. This may include repairing the foundation, walls, and roof. Check for mold growth. After completing the repair, it's important to check for mold growth. Look for signs of mold such as a musty smell, discoloration, or visible growth. If you suspect mold growth, contact a professional to perform a mold inspection. Prevent future water damage. To prevent future water damage, it's important to take preventative measures such as repairing leaks, cleaning gutters, and ensuring proper ventilation in high humidity areas. Regular maintenance of your plumbing system, roof, and gutters can help prevent leaks and water intrusion. Contact your insurance company. Water damage can be costly, so it's important to document the damage, and if you have insurance coverage for water damage, be sure to contact your insurance company as soon as possible. They can provide guidance on the claims process and connect you with a reputable contractor. Hire a professional. If the water damage is extensive or if you're not comfortable with the repair process, it's recommended to hire a professional water damage restoration company. Professionals have the expertise and equipment to handle large-scale damage and ensure a thorough restoration. They can also work with your insurance company to ensure a smooth claims process. Be patient. Water damage repair can be a time-consuming process, and it's important to be patient. Be sure to follow the recommended steps and take the necessary precautions to prevent further damage and ensure a successful repair. DIY versus professional water damage restoration. While DIY water damage restoration may seem like a cost-effective option, it's important to understand the risks involved. Improper restoration techniques can lead to further damage and health hazards. It's important to hire a professional water damage restoration company to ensure a safe and thorough restoration process. In conclusion, water damage repair is a challenging task that requires a quick response and expert knowledge. Understanding the categories of water damage, the restoration process, drying techniques, and insurance coverage can help you minimize the risk of water damage and ensure a successful restoration. By following the above expert tips, you can restore your property and prevent further damage. Remember to take preventative measures to avoid future water damage and contact a professional if necessary. Remember that the team at All Dry Services of Miami is always ready to help in your time of need. We offer 24/7 water damage restoration services. Call us at 305-990-0102 or request a free inspection at alldrymiami.com. We expect the unexpected.